a walk-in tub several years ago. And I took it for granted, you know, I thought, so it's a walk-in tub. And I took a tub bath now and then, shower sometime, until I had knee replacement about several months ago. And then that little dude came in real handy. They said, now you can get your knee wet, but not submerged in a tub. Fine. So I got in my little Hometown project and sat down, and I was able to not only be clean, but feel clean. And it was such a joy. I didn't have to worry about falling, and it was just great. It's everything they said it was. I really remember how. I think it was just fate that led me to Hometown. The man that I interviewed for the job was very professional. He answered the questions I needed answered, and that was the start of a good friendship. And the ones that I have dealt with, Phil, for instance, I've called him on a couple of occasions, and they've always been Johnny on the spot. It was some insignificant thing, but they didn't question, they just came out, fixed the problem, and that was it. So when I did have this wonderful experience, I called him and I said, I can't wait to tell you what happened with me in my tub. That's how it started. I tell them to call Phil at Hometown. They always do what they say they're going to do, and you can't expect any business to do better than that.